Boom.
Oh, snap! Oh. In the box you'll find a manual and warranty card, little lights for the wheels, platforms, a bell, tool, and a lock. And there it is, and of course I'm very excited. The ride itself is sublime. I'm on the first gear and look how quick I am. Wow, that is impressive. Oh. Let's closer look. Lights on the back, lights on the front. Those lights are very powerful. I am impressed with that power. Plenty enough for everyone to use. Chain and platforms. Seats are super comfortable. And also a second seat, fairly comfortable. 160 disc brakes, battery info, pause the video if you want to read it. Lifting saddle, removing battery, which we can charge separately or replace to another unit. You can test charge with button. Let's closer look on the locks. It's simple, but safe. All you need to do is lift a little bit and then there you go. You can put it into your trunk or whatever. That is convenient. Super comfortable on all kinds of terrain. You can even do some extremes. Let's take a ride. Maximum speed and acceleration. You don't have to put too much pressure on those pedals. It will take off immediately. It's very fast. It goes all the way to 32 kilometers per hour with my way. I weigh 110. If you're a lighter person, it could go all the way to 35. But the question is, can I go through that hill? It's quite steep, you know. That's easy. Off-roading, not an issue with such a big tires and, of course, wheels. This is a very comfortable ride. It will put a smile on your face, like mine. I love it. Acceleration is extremely fast and quick and aggressive. I have to brake all the time, but that's good. You need that acceleration in the city. Such a comfortable ride. I feel relaxed and safe with such big, fat wheels. No terrain will be the issue. Even like grass like that. No problemo at all. Super comfortable. We don't have suspension, but those tires taking all kinds of bumps and humps. Like I said, I have to brake all the time, and I'm on the first gear. It's super quick, aggressively quick. Oh, and one more spin. And there you go. Just like that. Such an impressive ride. It's fantastic for weekends and, I don't know, going to the store, buying some groceries. I would love to see like a basket instead of seat. Basket. Maybe you can buy a basket separately and remove the seat, and basket would be more practical, at least in my country. That would be awesome. Or maybe DIY something. Anyway, that's all I got. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye.